Hello friends, welcome to Dami Education. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. We'll see our GK questions in the different fields in the class level of 4th class. First question. What is a seven-sided polygon known as? Answer is heptagon. Second question. What is the measurement of a right angle? Answer is 90 degrees. Third one, is 45 degree an obtuse angle? Answer is no, it is acute angle. From 0 to 90 degree, it is a acute. 90 to 180 obtuse. 180 to 270, it is reflex. What is a polygon with all sides of the same length and all angles of equal size called? Answer is regular polygon. What is the Roman numeral for 17? Answer is XV11. We will write like. What is the smallest 4-digit number formed by using the digits 0, 3, 5, 6? So start with least number other than 0, 3056. Answer is 3056. What is the predecessor of the smallest 6-digit number? Answer is 99,999. Predecessor means before that number. 1 lakh before 99,999. Which is the smallest single digit composite number? Smallest single digit composite number. Answer is 4. 1 is not prime, not composite. 2 is prime, 3 is prime, then 4 only composite. Which shapes have 4 equal sides and equal opposite angles? Answer is square and rhombus. How many 1/6 make 2? Answer is 12. 1/6 make 2. 1 by 6. So 12 by 6 we will get 2. All squares are rectangles, true or false? Answer is true. All squares are rectangles. All rectangles are squares, true or false? Answer is false. How do you write 0.07 as a fraction? Answer is 7 by 100. After point, how many digits are there? That means zeros after 1. If 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds, 2 minutes is equals to 120 seconds, 3 minutes equal to 180 seconds, then how many minutes is 3 hours 40 minutes? 3 into 6. So 3 hours means 3 into 6 into 60. How many minutes? 60. 180 plus 40. 220 minutes. 2012 is a leap year. True or false? 2012 by 4, it is divisible by 4, then it is leap year. Yes, leap year. 25, 3, 53. What is the name of triangle with only 2 sides equal? Answer, isosceles triangle. What is the sum of angles in a triangle? Answer, 180 degrees. Find the missing number in the sequence. 1997, 1999, question mark, 2009, 2017, 2027. So here, difference is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 8, 10 like that. Answer is 2003. There are 9 bananas and 8 apples in a basket. You took 4 bananas and 1 apple from it. Now how many are there left in the with? Answer is 5. How many left? 5 bananas and 7 apples. There are 4 more roosters than ducks on a farm. The total number of legs of the roosters and ducks is equal to 44. How many roosters and ducks are there? Answer is 10 roosters, 6 ducks. Where is the smallest bone in our body located? Answer is the ear. What is the percentage of water in the human body? Answer is 60%. Which is the largest organ in the human body? Answer is skin. Our heart is a muscle that pumps blood through whole body. True or false? Answer is true. In which season do you get to see rainbows more often? Answer is monsoon. Which is the strongest muscle in the human body? Answer is thigh. Which blood cells help our bodies fight infection? Answer is white blood cells. Which materials do we get from animals to make clothes? Answer is silk and wool. How many muscles are there in the human body? Answer is 600 muscles. What is force? Answer is the push or pull on an object which changes its position, shape or size is called force. Who was the inventor of the television? Answer is J.L. Babbage. What is the process of the release of water vapor by leaves into the air called? Answer is transpiration. What is India surrounded by in the north? Answer is Himalayas. Which is the largest continent? Answer is Asia. Which important line passes through the middle of India? Answer is Tropic of Cancer. Which large water body is to the west of India? Answer is Arabian Sea. Where is Bandipur National Park? Answer is Mysore, Karnataka. What is the major source of our body? Of our food? Plants. Which city is known as the Queen of Arabian Sea? Answer is Kochi in Kerala. On which side of the equator does India lie? Answer is north side. Which game consists of terms like a bishop, stalemate, castling, etc.? Answer is chess. What is the number of players in volleyball? Answer is 6. Where is the famous stadium Eden Garden located? Answer is Kolkata, West Bengal. Pankaj Advani is related to which sport? Answer is snooker. In cricket, what is the distance between the two sets of wickets in ads? Answer is 22 ads. Who was the first Indian to win gold in the Olympics? Answer is Abhinav Bindra. How many times has India hosted the Olympic Games? Answer is 0 times. Caddy is related to which game? Answer is golf. Which country has been the host country of the Asian Games several times? Answer is Indonesia. Which country started the Olympic Games in which year? Answer is Greece, 1896. If you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.